In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can save a location here on Google Maps. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more quick tutorials just like this. And on top of that, if you do have any questions throughout this guide, make sure to ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment, so just ask down there and I can help you out further. But maybe your friend told you about a great spot to visit, or you just want to remember an important place. Whatever the reason might be, Google Maps makes it extremely easy to save locations for later. What you're going to want to do is actually open up Google Maps. And from here, what you're going to want to do is tap and hold your finger on whatever place you want to go ahead and save. You could type in the address specifically, or if you would like, you can just go ahead and drag yourself around this map, find whatever place you want to save, and essentially just go ahead and tap and hold on it. I'm going to zoom in to this random place called Aspen right here, and let's say I want to save this section. Tap and hold, boom, it's going to drop a pin. Now what you could do is actually scroll across these options down at the very bottom, and there's going to be a little save option on it. Go ahead and select save, and it's going to pull up an existing list, or you can create a new one. Simply name it, add a description, and even choose a type, and whenever you're ready, hit done down in the very bottom. And that's it. You've now successfully saved a location on Google Maps, and it's going to be stored in your list for quick access anytime. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.